Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma City, and I want to talk a little bit about the Oklahoma City economy here as we're in about the middle of February when I'm doing this. You know, it's been since the end of last year since I gave you an update on this, but I'm just amazed at what is going on in Oklahoma City right now. Now, previously I shared the fact that we're one of the top 14 metro areas, over 1 million in the United States for population growth. That's extremely important for a housing market, both for owner occupants and as well as investors, which is what we deal with. And I talked about last year that we had gotten down to about 2.6% unemployment. But statistics just came out that actual unemployment in the metro Oklahoma City area right now is 1.6%. I doubt very seriously that you could find a metro area over 1 million in the United States right now with 1.6%. Now, unemployment's been coming down, but it's still roughly over 5% nationally. So we're doing fantastically well. And when you get down to that point of 1.6, it really is full employment. Now, we don't count the people that are not trying to find jobs, but the interesting thing about 1.6, it basically means that people are trying to find jobs. And in every aspect of the economy right now, we need people. Downtown, there's a couple of $1 billion worth of projects going on for people to work in. In terms of the oil and gas industry, right now, oil is going way up again. Oil revenues are fantastic. Taxes from oil revenues are outstanding. It used to dominate our economy, doesn't anymore, but right now, it is doing fantastically well, and a lot of hiring is going on there, not in terms of people working on rigs, but people working in corporate offices. Now, the other thing is natural gas, and I think I talked about this last year before, which is we're exporting natural gas now from Oklahoma. It's going to China, and what we've seen recently in Europe with Ukraine is now an agreement where we can start shipping more natural gas to Europe also. And so this is an aspect of the economy that brings a lot of money in, brings a lot of tax revenue, as well as the fact that we're a major refining state and demand is really, really great. Now, housing, and I'll tell you what, we've used double the amount of people right now in terms of working on houses than we've had any time in the past. I mean, it is a boom economy when it comes to residential housing and new construction. So I wanted to kind of give you that overview, and more jobs are coming. I think I've talked about Tinker Air Force Base, for instance, and the fact that, you know, there's 1,200 or actually 1,346 private contractors coming in. More people are for this new, tanker plane, and more people are coming in for the B-1 bomber. And so there's a new stealth bomber coming in after that. And so again, we have these large pockets of the economy where hiring is very, very strong. That is the only way you can get to 1.6%. So if you're someone thinking about a place to buy, either for yourself to move into or to invest in, right now we have every aspect going on. We have affordability still, we have population growth, and we have unemployment that is unbelievably low.